Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever dreamed of converting your Figma designs directly into a real working website in Webflow, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you step by step how to use the Figma to Webflow plugin to take your beautiful Figma files and bring them to life online. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to move from design to published website without getting stuck or confused along the way. Let's dive right into it. First off, we're going to need access to the Figma to Webflow plugin. If you haven't used plugins in Figma before, don't worry, it's actually pretty straightforward. Start by heading over to the Apps section inside Figma. The Apps area is where all your handy tools and extensions live. From there, click on Launch. This is going to show you all the available plugins you have, and in this case, you'll want to search for and open the Figma to Webflow plugin. If you see a pop-up or a permissions dialog, just follow along and allow what's necessary. It's all there to make the connection between Figma and Webflow as seamless as possible. Once the plugin is up and running, you'll notice an option that says Open In. Go ahead and click this, then choose Files. This basically tells Figma that you're about to work with entire files, which is great if your design is split across different pages or sections. Now here comes a part that might feel a little tricky, but stick with me. Find the specific item or frame in your Figma file that you'd like to transfer to Webflow. You can do this by simply right-clicking on that element. Don't rush here, make sure you're selecting exactly what you want, whether it's a whole page or just a smaller component. From the right-click menu, look for Plugins, hover over it, and then select Figma to Webflow. Once you do, the plugin will usually give you a little prompt or two. Just click Continue until you get to the Sync to Webflow step. Don't worry if it takes a moment to load, especially with larger designs. This part might keep your computer busy for a few seconds. Now after syncing, you'll get another prompt that says Continue to Webflow. This is where things start to get exciting. Clicking this will open up the Webflow side of things, making a direct handoff of your selected Figma items. On the Webflow side, look for the button or message that says Ready to Import. Go ahead and click that. When it appears, it tells Webflow you're about to bring in new design assets. Next, you'll see a list or grid of elements available for importing. Carefully select the element or elements you want to bring over. This is useful if you're working on a complex website and only need to move specific parts over at a time. Once you've got your items selected, click on Import Selected Items. Down at the bottom of your Webflow interface, you'll notice the selected elements appearing, ready for you to start styling or arranging in your live website build. Take a moment to review everything that was imported just to make sure it looks right. And if you notice anything missing or out of place, it's easy to go back and try again. And that's honestly all there is to it. You've just taken Figma designs and moved them right into a Webflow project, cutting out tons of manual work. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please hit that like button and don't hesitate to drop your questions or experiences in the comments below. I love hearing how these tips help you build faster and smarter. And of course, if you want more tutorials just like this, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy designing.